Part ng training ng endurance runner, you must have a balanced diet. Siyempre, may carbs ka, huwag masyado, tama lang, sukat dapat. At siyempre, protein. Ako, kunin natin for today, kunin natin sa egg. Organic egg, galing kay Lea. And, siyempre, medyo healthy mantika, magigisa ako ng vegetable. Siyempre, dapat lagi tayo ng vegetable, part ng nutrition yan, being a endurance runner. Yung paborito ko, repolyo, igigisa lang natin sa sibuyas, lagyan natin ng konting toyo, at siyempre, para healthy, lagyan natin ng pink salt ang ipapang-asin. Konti lang, huwag masyadong marami yung mga asin-asin natin, di ba? So, aside sa training, na you need to listen to your body, you need to follow the program. Part ng endurance runner sa training is I must have a balanced diet. So, susundin ko to para bumalik ulit ang aking lakas sa pagtakbo. Again, I'm 55. By next year, I will be running at the age of 56. So, it's a challenge. Alam ko, hindi magiging madali itong journey na to. But alam ko, magiging masaya. Kaya, healthy food, balanced diet, training, and, di ba, dapat masaya ka palagi. Yun yon. Do what you love. Be passionate on it. Put everything on it. Kasama pusuan mo. Ako, I'm doing all this because alam ko, at the end of this training, at the end of this race, I will be happy. Bye!